Okay, in this video I'm going to walk you through the InDesign tutorial that we started in class. I'm going to start from the beginning. The first thing that you need to do is to create a new document, and it's going to be web. It's got 3 pages. We'll keep this size, and for columns, let's go ahead and leave that as 1 because I'll show you in a second how you can make that 3. Let's leave the margin as 36. Okay, so we're looking at our first page. If you have different tools over here, it's because InDesign is set to open with the Essentials workspace, so make sure that you change it to Interactive and it'll bring up these tools just to show you the Essentials tool. Palette is sort of got the same things that you see in Interactive, but they're stretched out. So there's pages, layers, links, etc. When we change to Interactive, we still have those, but they are shortened versions right here. So we still have swatches, we still have pages. The first thing that we need to do is to create a box the same size as our page. So it should be 800 by 600. Here's where you can see what size that box is. And let's place in that the shuttle picture. Okay, and then we're gonna click on it. Click on this circle so that you're now editing the content and not the frame. You can see the brown line indicating we're using the content, and we're going to make that, we're going to scale it down to 56%. There we go. The next thing that we need to do is to add some columns. So click on Layout, Margins and Columns, and let's give this 3 columns. Okay, and now let's move this image so that that shuttle just barely touches that second column mark. Okay, if you're trying to move something just a little bit, you can click on it and then tap the arrow keys, and the arrow keys will let you move the object 1 pixel at a time. Okay, I'm going to press Command- and zoom out a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to press Apple C for copy. I'm going to scroll down to the second page, zoom in a little, and go to Paste into Place. And it's going to put that picture in the exact same place. And then I'm going to give this page also 3 columns. I'm going to do the same thing with page 3. It's important that you paste into place instead of just trying to eyeball it, because what we're doing here is creating a 3-page document that actually looks just like 1 page. And you can see in the example, it looks like you're never leaving 1 page. So if this image is off by just a few pixels, people will notice when they go to that page. It won't look anymore like they're looking at the same thing. It'll look like the background is kind of moving. Okay, so I've got images placed on all those pages. The next thing that I want to do is lock them down because I don't want them to move at all. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go to Object, Lock, and that's going to make it so that I actually can't select this image anymore, which is what I want because I don't want to accidentally bump it out of place.